All right, so we're gonna work a warrior three, but we're really gonna focus in on that internal hip rotation. So if I stand next to a door, I'm gonna hold on for balance, and I'm gonna hinge back. So I'm pushing my hips back, my rib cage is in line with my pelvis, and then instead of opening up like a half moon, I'm just gonna rotate sitting into the back of the left hip. My knee stays bent, I have a nice short foot, big toes down, abs are still engaged, and I'm holding on for balance, and I'm just breathing. So I feel like the back of the hip is opening up. I can rotate now, open up, stacking the right hip on top of the left, and go into internal rotation. Feels so good. Remember, keep the ribs and the hips in a line. Your knees slightly bent, and both your glutes are pretty engaged. All right, and then you're gonna switch to the other side.